I replaced Google with ChatGPT. Here's what happened. I stopped using Google for 7 days and replaced it completely with AI. No searching, no clicking links, just one tool, ChatGPT. And honestly, I didn't expect this result. So here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, everything I would normally Google, I asked ChatGPT instead. Whether it was random questions, work tasks, learning something new, or even daily decisions, ChatGPT had to replace Google completely. Let's start with everyday searches. Normally, if I Google something like best phone under $500 or how to fix Wi-Fi issues, I get a bunch of links, ads, and I have to click through multiple websites. But with ChatGPT, I just ask, and it gives me a straight answer instantly. No ads, no distractions, just the information. And honestly, this alone saved me a lot of time. Now this is where things got really interesting. Instead of just searching, I started using ChatGPT for actual work, such as writing emails, generating content ideas, summarizing long articles, writing programming codes, generating images. And this is something Google just can't do. Google gives you options. ChatGPT gives you solutions. It felt less like searching and more like having an assistant. Then I tested learning something new. Normally with Google, I'd open like 5-10 tabs trying to understand one topic. But with ChatGPT, I asked it to explain things step by step, and it actually simplified everything. It even adjusted explanations when I said, make it easier and concise. That's something Google just doesn't do well. But let's be real, it's not perfect. Let's consider the pros and cons. Pros, ChatGPT is faster, no ads, more personalized, and way better for productivity. Cons, but sometimes it's not fully accurate. It can give outdated info and get confused sometimes. And unlike Google, it doesn't always show sources unless you ask, so you still have to double-check important stuff. Now here's the part that surprised me the most. After 7 days, I didn't actually miss Google as much as I thought I would. For most things, especially work and learning, ChatGPT was just better. But the moment I needed real-time info or something very specific, I instantly went back to Google. So here's the truth. ChatGPT is not a full replacement for Google, but if you use it the right way, it can actually replace like 70–80% of your searches. And for creators, students, and anyone working online, it's honestly a game changer. If you're not using this yet, you're already behind. Follow for more tools that save you time and make you money. And if you want to see the best AI tools I use daily, follow, like, and subscribe for more. See you next.